Okay, here's a way to solve this problem using coordinate geometry. The first thing I'll draw your attention to is that in this little trapezoid that has bases 5 and 17, with this isosceles trapezoid, I should say, with a leg of 10, if I draw perpendiculars here to get the height of the trapezoid, this middle rectangle, of course, have opposite sides with the same length, 5. That means that there is 12 units left over for the two legs of the two little right triangles out at the right, which means each of these legs is 6, which implies that this is a similar to a 3, 4, 5 right triangle, or a 6, 8, 10 Pythagorean triple, or you could use the Pythagorean theorem to find out that the height of the trapezoid is 8. So that's what I've depicted over here. I've let vertex A be the point 0, 0. B, we've gone 6 units this way and 8 units up, so it has coordinates 6, 8. C, I've gone 6 plus 5 is 11 and up 8, and D is 17, 0. And once you've got those coordinates, we can start doing stuff like this. The midpoint of diagonal AC using the midpoint formula is 5.5 comma 4. And now if we could find the equation of the line through 6, 8, and that point, I'll call it K, then I could find the point of intersection with that line along with the x-axis. And once I find those coordinates, I'll end up finding out that this distance is 5. That means that this distance right here, MD, is 12. And we know the height of this triangle is 8. So triangle BDM has a base of 12 and a height of 8. So the area of that triangle is 1/2 the base times the height, or 48 square units, or square centimeters. They give us that. So to get the equation of line BK, we first calculate the slope of BK, which will be 8 minus 4, change in y, over the change in x. 6 minus 5.5 is 1/2, which gives us a slope of 8. And then using point slope, y minus 8 equals 8 times the quantity x minus 6. And I could simplify that to 8x minus 48 plus 8 is 8x minus 40. And when y equals 0, for this line BM or BK, x will equal 5. And so we essentially found the point of intersection of the line y equals 0 with the line y equals 8x minus 40. And so that's this point right here. And that allows us to draw the conclusion that the area of triangle BDM is 48 square centimeters, or centimeters squared. Okay, hope you understood all that.